Happy Thursday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic here. You guys just keep pouring in the love this year with Christmas, and it's so appreciative to see you guys just reaching out and helping the community. We are truly blessed here at Full Potential to have such wonderful practice members and other community members that aren't necessarily patients, but they're coming in knowing that we do have the giving tree and just giving back and sharing the wealth. So we greatly appreciate you guys. We got the healthy eating workshop coming up at the end of the month, just right after Christmas. So getting through the holidays, getting back on track. Easiest thing to do, right, is meal prep, right? So we had a question yesterday. Someone said that they had watched previous videos that they saw that I like to meal prep, and it sounds hard, sounds complicated. It really isn't. What I usually do over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, is two things, right? I make a bunch of protein, whether it's chicken, I throw it in the crock pot, grill it when it's nice out. I'll make a bunch of it. I'll shred it up. Just holds easier that way. Very tender. It stays throughout the week very well. I'll do ground turkey. I'll do ground bison. I've done tuna. I've done just different types of things. And normally I stay away from big meals like casseroles and all that stuff, because I found that for me personally, I lose taste or flavor in it throughout the week, and it just doesn't taste good at the end of the week. So that's why I sort of stick with a la carte things. So make a bunch of protein. I usually do about 2 different sources of protein, pulled pork, carnitas, a roast, whatever it may be. And then I make a bunch of carbs. So yeah, you heard it right, carbs. So green peas, I've made rice, black beans, just all sorts of things, noodles, pasta, whatever it is, right? I'm definitely not afraid of making carbohydrates. I know in a time of the keto world, right, we're just staying away from them, but you absolutely need them. If you're a very active person, you have a very active job, you need those carbs fueling your body all day long. So make a bunch of that stuff. That stuff holds very well, whether it's a vegetable. There's better vegetables than other ones, but at the end of the day, as long as you're eating something healthy rather than gas station or fast food, that's the best thing in the world. Again, you make 2 different types of proteins, 3 different types of carbs, and you just mix and match throughout the day, and just get used to doing that. Don't worry about portioning things out. Yeah, do your best, have a lot more protein than other stuff, but just get used to doing that stuff. Then we can talk about what to do later on in meal prepping. If you guys have any other questions about that, again, workshop's 28, 6:15. It's a Tuesday night here at this office. Have a great Thursday, everybody.